In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert an image into your Google Docs document. This is a useful skill that can enhance your documents by adding visual elements, and it's surprisingly simple once you get the hang of it. So let's dive in. First things first, what you'll want to do is head over to Google Docs. You can either open an existing document or, if you're starting fresh, create a new one. Either way, you'll need a document open to add your image. Once you've got the document up and running, it's time to decide where you want your image to appear. Scroll to the location in your document where you want the image and simply click to place your cursor there. It's important to be precise with your cursor placement because this is where your image will pop up. Now with your cursor in place, we're ready to insert the image. Head up to the top menu bar of your Google Docs interface. You're looking for the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Image. This action will unfold several options for bringing in your image. The most straightforward option is the Upload from Computer feature. This is perfect if the image you want to use is already saved on your device. Simply select it and you can browse your files to find the image you need. Another option is Search the Web, which is incredibly handy if you're looking for free to use images. When you click this option, a sidebar will open, allowing you to perform a Google search without leaving your document. This is particularly useful if you're in a hurry or don't have the right image saved on your device. For those of you who use Google's ecosystem extensively, the Drive and Photos options make adding images even more convenient. Drive lets you access images stored in your Google Drive, while Photos connects directly with Google Photos. Just another way Google makes it easy to integrate your tools. There's also an option to add an image by URL if you have a direct link to an image online, and for those spontaneous moments, you could use Quora to take a photo with your device and insert it straight into the document. Each of these options accommodates different needs, so feel free to use the one that suits you best. Once your image appears in the document, you can adjust it for a perfect fit. Click on the image to select it, and you'll notice blue handles around the image's corners. These handles allow you to resize the image by clicking and dragging them. And if you want to move the image to a different spot in your document, simply drag the image to your desired location, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively enhance your Google Docs with any image of your choice, helping your document to communicate more visually and effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!